Hi, it's Kelly, Simple Life Mom, and I'm just really excited to tell you that my new book, Easy Soap Making, is out, and it's so exciting for me. I've been working on it for quite some time. I'm very excited. Just to tell you a few features of it, there are over 30 recipes. They are melt and pour, hand milled and cold process, and just instructions. There's a Q&A in front of each chapter to hit on anything that might be questions that you might have, problems that might occur. There is a tutorial with each one, is walk you through to say this is how it goes, this is what you need to do. Each recipe is full instructions. One of the things that we were really excited about is keeping it simple. I'm all about simple. So we have a set of oils that I decided to use throughout the chapter. It's a list of 7 butters and oils, and so they will be mixed and matched to make it throughout the book, where you don't have to buy a whole new set of oils for every single recipe. So that's really cool. But lots of different mixing and matching of essential oils as well, and different blends. So every recipe is unique, with different coloring, with herbs. You have everything from swirling to layers. There's some starting out very simple and kind of building on that skill. Let's see, there's shampoo bars, laundry soap. What else? I don't know. There's, like I said, there's resources. I'm just really excited about it. I'm going to do some more book walkthroughs on Instagram, things like that, just to show you what's inside. But just wanted to tell you a little bit about it, and maybe you can be excited as me. I know it's pre-order coming out, and then after pre-order, it's going to be available on Kindle, and then it's going to be available everywhere in all kinds of stores. So thank you so much for joining in my excitement, and I hope you love it.